Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona recovery program है आपका one-stop solution to fix all these problems. ये easy to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. Simple to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये challenge आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है एल्बो ओपनर्स. Keep your fingertips on your shoulders and elbows together. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out as you close. Make sure that your elbows stay high up, parallel to the ground. Do not let your elbows fall down. Let's perform 8 repetitions. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is our upward arm stretch. Take a deep breath in as you lift your arms up, bringing your palms together. Breathe out as you lower them down again. 8 repetitions again. Breathe in, out, in, out, and relax. Coming up next, guys, is tricep taps. Breathe in as you lift your arms straight up, bend at the elbows, tap your back, and retrace your steps. 8 repetitions again. Breathe in, tap your back, breathe out. Breathe in, tap your back, breathe out. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is wrist flexion and extension. Extend your arms straight out in front of you and drop your palms down, pull them in toward your body and reverse. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is a few neck movements. Let's start with neck left to right. Look over your left shoulder and over to the right. And relax. Up next, guys, is head tilts. So tilt your head to the right side and to the left. Keep your neck fluid, shoulders relaxed, back straight. relax. Coming up next, guys, is head nods. So breathe in, look up. Breathe out, drop your chin down. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is straight leg marching chops. So extend your legs straight out in front of you. Make sure that your knees are locked, arms up, and lift. Alternate leg, keeping it straight up. Eight repetitions on each side. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is alternate heel taps. You can perform this movement as discussed before in the sitting or standing position. So lift your heel up and tap, up and tap. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is double leg cycling. You can perform this movement on the mat or on the bench or on the chair. Make sure that your hands are balanced. As you lift your legs up to make a circle. Opposite. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is sitting calf lifts. Make sure you place your hands on the knees, add more weight, and lift your heel up and down. And relax. Finally, guys, हम करेंगे ankle rotations. Lift one leg up and make 8 circles with your ankle in one direction and 8 circles in the opposite direction. Let's repeat the same on the other leg. 8 circles in one direction and 8 in the opposite. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat this circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है तार आसन, also known as the mountain pose. There are a lot of variations. How we'll do it today is stand with your feet as wide as shoulders, interlock your fingers, Take a deep breath in. Extend your arms straight up as you lift your heels off the ground. Keep your arms straight, knees locked. Feel tall and hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, coming up next is our Dandasana, also known as the staff pose. इसको हम करेंगे sitting position में. So make sure that you're sitting comfortably on the mat. Legs extended straight in front of you. Knees locked. Hands balanced. Torso upright. Take a deep breath in as you lift your arms straight up. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सेतुबंध सर्वांग आसन, also known as the bridge pose. इसे हम करेंगे supine position में. So lie down on your back. Back flat on the ground. Feet as wide as your hips. Shoulders relaxed. Breathe in as you lift your hip up, tucking your shoulders in and interlocking your fingers. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. So guys, आज का आखिरी आसन है Makarasana, also known as the crocodile pose. We perform this in the prone position. So lie down on your belly. Feet relaxed. Balance on your elbows. Rest your chin on your hands. And relax. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स and I hope that you enjoyed it. Now it's the time to do some breathing exercises to improve the oxygen levels in your blood. We will start with the first pranayam known as deep breathing. So we will breathe in through the nose to the count of 5, short pause, breathe out through the nose to the count of 5 again. So in through the nose to the count of 5, short pause, out through the nose to the count of 5. इसे हम कर सकते हैं 2 to 5 minutes तक. and relax. आज की हमारी फाइनल ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज है पर्स्ड लिप ब्रीदिंग. So we will breathe in through the nose to the count of 2, out through the mouth to the count of 4. Exhalation is longer than inhalation. So in to the count of 2, out to the count of 4. We will perform this for 2 to 4 minutes. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So take it easy and let your body heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.